Every bottle begins long before the winery.
Quality is grown, not manufactured. Precision protects the fruit. Handling defines quality.
Machines expend the harvest. Efficiency meets control. Harvest becomes flow. Volume replaces effort. The vineyard releases its yield. Scale demands timing. Scale reveals intention. From vineyard to system, the journey continues. Transport protects what harvest delivers.
Every load is verified. Data confirms reality.
Separation begins early. Organization defines flow.
Chemistry dictates the next step.
Gravity transfers the burden. Motion becomes continuous. Inside, control is absolute.
We want the fruit, not the structure.
Vibration separates the best from the rest.
Lasers see what the eye misses. The fruit gives way to fluid.
The journey to the tank begins.
Here, the path divides. Skins stay for the red, juice runs free for the white.
Structure is removed. Only the fruit remains. Lasers see what the eye misses. Precision is absolute.
The skin breaks. The color begins to bleed.
The journey to the tank begins.
For white wine, we take the essence and leave the rest.
Liquid carries the promise. Cold and controlled, the journey continues. The stage is set for transformation. The skins must stay. They hold the soul of the red wine. Cold and dark, the wait begins.
We add the catalyst. Life begins to work.
We drown the skins to steal their color. Sugar dies. Alcohol is born.
We fight the heat to save the aroma.
The tank breathes out what it doesn't need.
The skins have given everything. Now they leave.
Consistency is designed, not accidental.
Time becomes the main ingredient.
Wood breathes. It shapes the character.
We stir the sediment to build texture.
Nature takes its share. We replace the loss.
We simulate years in a matter of months.
Gravity clarifies what remains.
The wait is over. Refinement begins.
We polish the liquid without stripping its soul.
We freeze the wine to ensure it never clouds again.
Consistency is designed, not accidental. Every bottle starts empty and sterile.
60 bottles filled every second. Precision at speed.
Sealed tight. The character is locked in.
The glass gets its name.
Yuanteng Lebit Protein.
Chemistry confirms what the palate expects.
Wrapped, stacked, and ready for the world.
A library of liquid, waiting for the call.
From the vine to the table. The journey is complete.